Welcome back to What You Wish For. If you are new here, this is a space where we reinvent ourselves into our best selves and create our desired realities. In today's video, we will be talking about the placebo effect. What is it and how to use it to manifest literally anything. Placebo effect is not much different from what we talked about in one of our recent videos, in which we said beliefs are a driving force of manifestation. So if you have not checked it out and you want to give it a glimpse, then I'm sure you can find the link in the description box as well. But before we get into that, we do offer one-on-one coaching, and if you want to book any slots with us, you can go to the description box and check out the links for it. If you want to show your appreciation and love for us, then like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your loved ones. Now let's get into the video. Simply put, the placebo effect in the field of medical science is when people start showing after effects of having gone under a specific treatment or medication, even though the treatment was just a sham. Basically what happened is, even though they were given a sugar pill, they thought or they believed that that pill will have the effects what the medical professional said it would. For example, if you had pain and you wanted a painkiller, and a medical professional gave you some pills saying it is a painkiller and it's going to help. So just because you believe that this pill that you are taking will help you with the pain, it is very likely that even though it's a sugar pill, you will feel the effects of your pain subsiding. This is placebo. When just that one belief that you have is starting to affect your physical surroundings and your physical being. So if you have watched one of the previous videos in which I talk about belief and how beliefs are going to make or break your manifestations, this is why. This is it. This is the placebo. This is what beliefs do. They are the placebo. If you believe that this will help, this will help. If you believe this will make it worse, it will make it worse. So it's all up to your beliefs. They will make or break your manifestation. Now coming to the next part. How to use placebo effect to manifest anything? First and foremost, again, you have to go back to the basics and start with your belief system. You have to start forming beliefs which are in alignment with what you want and with who you are right now. There is another video in which I talk about vision boards and why they are actually not working, and I'm sure you can find the link in the description box for that as well. In that video, I talked about using vision boards, visualization and affirmations to start forming new beliefs about yourself. So you can start doing that. You can start using affirmations to form some beliefs about your own self. For example, if you start believing that conscious manifestation is very natural for you, you consciously manifest very easily and naturally. If this is a belief that is now a part of your subconscious brain, then conscious manifestation is going to be very easy for you. Manifestation is easy and natural anyway. It happens anyway, whether you want it or not. Conscious manifestation, as in what you want to purposely manifest, that sometimes is a task. And if you believe that that is natural to you as well, it will be. So start with your belief systems. Second, watch success stories. If you have watched my video on finding evidence for law of assumption, law of attraction, everyone is you pushed out. Finding evidence is basically strengthening your beliefs. When you strengthen your beliefs by some physical evidence, for example, this is how subliminals work too, by the way. So generally when you go to a subliminal video or any technique, any manifestation video, you will scroll through the comment section to see if it works. And a lot of them say they work or not work, and that's how you will form your judgment or belief that they work or they don't work. Yeah. So you are finding evidence which will make your beliefs, which is why you should start following success stories. Watch success stories as much as possible. Watch others receive what you have been wanting to receive all this while, and know that this is possible. If it was possible for them, it is coming for you too. You are on the way there too. The third technique is to purposely use placebo effect. How will you do that? So if you want to lose weight, just saying, okay, not lose weight, if you want to be a stronger and healthier version of yourself. If you want to be a stronger or healthier version of yourself, then all you have to do is you can just find some of the simple and effective techniques, effective, quote unquote, effective techniques on YouTube or any website. Just find a couple of those and give yourself reasons to believe that this is going to work no matter what. For example, you can go to the comment section. Some exercises in which the comment section has been going absolutely crazy. This works, this works, this works. And a lot of people update also. A lot of people don't, but a lot of people update date-wise in the comment section. Go through them. Believe those comments. Believe that this is going to work, that this will make you a healthier and stronger version. Once you have formed those beliefs for those particular exercises, start doing them. Start doing them. Visualize yourself in your best version of being strong and healthy, and start doing those exercises with the belief that they are going to help no matter what. They are going to get you to reach your goal no matter what, and it will help. You will see. This is how placebo effect works. This is how law of attraction works. This is how subliminals work. It's just about the belief. It's about you thinking this is going to help. It will help. Hope this helped. If you were new to this channel, I hope you liked the video and you will subscribe to our channel. If you want your loved ones to be on the same journey of reinventing themselves and creating their best possible realities, share this channel with them. You can also find links to our different social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook if you want to follow us there. Hope this helped, and thank you for tuning in.